In this video, we're going to look at the variance of a random variable. Variance measures the spread of a variable or random variable. So how far, on average, data points stretch from the mean. While variance is formally defined as the expected value of the squared distance from the mean, that definition gets algebraically painful to compute. So instead, we almost always use the computational shortcut formula. So the variance of x is the expected value of x squared, and we subtract the square of the expected value of x. Let's now take a look at the proof of how this is derived. If you'd like to support the channel, you can now become a member to get early access to every video. To join, you can use the link displayed here, or just hit the join button right below the video. Let's start with a core definition. Variance is the expected value of x minus the expected value of x all squared. So first, let's expand the quadratic inside the expectation. And this gives x squared minus 2x multiplied by the expected value of x plus the square of the expected value of x. Next, using the linearity of expectation, we can apply expectation to each term individually. So we have the expected value of x squared minus the expected value 2x multiplied by the expected value of x plus the expected value of the square of the expected value of x. Now remember, the expected value of x is just a fixed constant number, so a single value. And so because ex and 2 are constants, we can pull them out of this middle expectation. And so the expected value of 2x multiplied by ex is equal to 2 multiplied by the expected value of x, and again multiplied by the expected value of x. And this equals 2 multiplied by the square of the expected value of x. And we should also note that the expectation of a constant is just the constant itself. So this third term is simply the square of the expected value of x. And so if we put this all together, we have the variance of x is equal to the expected value of x squared minus 2 multiplied by the square of the expected value of x plus the square of the expected value of x. And so the variance of x is equal to the expected value of x squared minus, and simplifying these two terms, we have the square of the expected value of x. Now let's use a worked example to show how we calculate the variance of a random variable. So using this probability distribution shown in the table, we have the probability that the outcome is 1 is equal to 0.2, the probability that the outcome is 2 is 0.5, and the probability that the outcome is 3 is 0.3. So to find the variance, let's apply the formula where the variance of x is equal to the expected value of x squared minus the square of the expected value of x. So to use this, we need two specific ingredients: the expected value of x squared and the square of the expected value of x. So let's go ahead and calculate these. So the expected value of x squared is equal to the sum of the outcomes squared multiplied by their individual probabilities. So looking at our probability distribution table, we have 1 squared multiplied by 0.2 plus 2 squared multiplied by 0.5 plus 3 squared multiplied by 0.3. And this gives 0.2 plus 2 plus 2.7, which equals 4.9. And to find the square of the expected value of x, we sum the outcomes multiplied by their individual probability and then square the result. So we have 1 multiplied by 0.2 plus 2 multiplied by 0.5 plus 3 multiplied by 0.3, and then we square this. So we have 0.2 plus 1 plus 0.9 squared, and this comes to 4.41. And then subtracting this result, 4.41, from this result, 4.9, gives us the variance of the random variable x. And this equals 0.49.